Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever missed an important email because it somehow ended up in Outlook's junk mail folder, you're not alone. It happens to the best of us and it can be super frustrating. But don't worry. In this full Outlook guide, I'll show you exactly how to recover your lost emails from junk mail and make sure they never disappear again. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Outlook website. Sign in with your Microsoft email and password. And if you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that quick verification step. Once you're logged in, click on the mail option to open your inbox. Now, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll find a folder labeled Junk Email. Click it to open. Inside, you'll see all the messages Outlook automatically marked as junk, sometimes correctly, but sometimes not. Take a moment to scroll through these emails. If you're looking for a specific message, you can use the search bar at the top to save time. Now, to recover an email, simply right-click on the one you want, hover over Move, and select Inbox. Outlook will instantly move it back to your main inbox folder, restoring it just like any regular email. Once that's done, head back to your inbox and double-check to make sure the message is there. It should now appear at the top as a normal, active email, ready for you to read or reply to. And here's a quick tip. If you notice legitimate emails keep landing in junk, select one of them, right-click, and choose Mark as Not Junk. Outlook will learn from your action and help prevent similar mistakes in the future. And that's it. Super quick and easy. You've just learned how to recover your lost emails from the junk folder in Outlook. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you've got any Outlook questions I should cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.